Hi, I'm Eric Biju of Class 10C, and today I'm going to present a presentation based on the chapter Agriculture. So for me, the learning outcome by doing this project was that I was able to learn a lot of features about bean plant. I was able to observe each change that had happened in the bean plant while I was watering it every day. So bean plant, which comes under pulses, is rich in iron, magnesium, fiber and protein. Thus, they were able to survive even at high temperature. Recording the temperature, rainfall and wind every day was very thrilling for me. So this project had given me a lot of knowledge and experiences about plants. Thank you. I'm Marik Biju of Class 10C. Today I'm going to explain about the different growing stages and changes happening in a bean plant. Day 1. The seeds of the bean plant was kept on a cotton cloth and covered it fully. Then the water was poured over it and kept aside. Day 2. Small roots were arised from the seeds which was kept inside the wet cloth. These healthy seeds were then planted in the soil in a container. The soil was watered and kept outside in the presence of sunlight. Day 4. The seeds had grown and sprouted out. As we all know, the seed itself contains all the nutrients that they need to germinate and grow their first pair of leaves. The plant was watered and kept there as before. Day 6. The bean plants that had grown short in height were taken from it and planted in a clay pot. The pot was kept in the terrace under the shade. Day 12. The bean plants were taken from the pot and replanted in the grow bags. These grow bags were also kept in terrace in presence of sunlight. Day 16. The plants now had produced a small flower on it. Day 18. The bean plant that had grown much more taller than before. There was a small outgrowth under a leaf from the flower which resembled small beans. The plant was watered and left there. Day 20. The outgrowth of the beans now had grown much more larger. Day 25. The beans now had become completely matured and was ready to procure. This was my first harvest from the plant. This was the picture of the bean plants after 2 weeks. For me, the best part that I enjoyed while doing the project was taking care of the plant and watering it every day. So this project had helped me a lot in increasing my responsibility in taking care of plants, self-confidence and creativity. So especially during this COVID season, gardening had helped me a lot in maintaining my health and fitness. Thank you. Thereby I conclude my presentation. Thank you.